Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Latvia and Rheinmetall agreed €275 million deal to build 155mm artillery ammunition factory. Rheinmetall will build a new production facility for 155mm caliber artillery ammunition in Latvia, expanding the German company's global network. A memorandum of understanding was signed in Hamburg in the presence of Latvian Prime Minister Eva Salina, with the plant to be operated by a joint venture between Rheinmetall VAF Munition GmbH, 51%, and the Latvian State Defense Corporation, 49%. The facility will ensure ammunition supplies for the Latvian National Armed Forces and partner countries, strengthening security of supply chains. The €275 million investment is scheduled to begin construction in spring 2026, with production expected a year later, creating at least 150 jobs. Latvian Prime Minister Eva Salina said, "Signing this MOU is a clear step towards strengthening Latvia's security and developing our defense industry. By aiming to establish partnership with Rheinmetall, Latvia not only builds stronger national defense, but also contributes to security of supply in Europe, enhancing industrial capacity as well as facilitating economic growth. I have been directly involved in this process because I believe that investing in our defense industry is investing in the safety and future of our people." Armin Papperger, CEO of Rheinmetall AG, stated, "We are delighted to be able to contribute to Latvia's national sovereignty in the field of ammunition. At the same time, the production line will strengthen our position as the world's leading manufacturer of artillery ammunition. At Rheinmetall, we are committed to supporting our customers as a reliable partner with first-class services. I am confident that we will also build similar partnerships for ammunition production in other countries." Ingrid Kurse, board member of the State Defense Corporation, added, "With the utmost sense of responsibility, we are taking on the entrusted task of jointly establishing an artillery ammunition production facility in Latvia. I am confident that all the necessary conditions are in place, as this project brings together several essential components. On the one hand, the mission of the State Defense Corporation is to ensure the needs of the national armed forces and to foster the development of Latvia's defense industry by developing manufacturing capacity. On the other hand, Rheinmetall contributes its long-standing expertise, accumulated know-how, high standards, and international recognition. This synergy forms the foundation of a strong partnership that will both advance the industry and strengthen the security of Latvia and the wider region." The project follows a similar development in neighboring Lithuania, where Rheinmetall was commissioned at the end of 2024 to construct an ammunition factory for artillery shells. Work on that plant at Baisogala is due to start in the coming weeks and mirrors the scale and design of the Latvian facility. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.